What is up, Sergio? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic calculator in Python the most complex way, or maybe not, but in a way that is much more easier to understand and not spaghettified code.
So first of all, to make our project not look so plain, we're gonna go add some ASCII color codes. Well, particularly because I'm pretty lazy installing some library on like pip and so on. If you don't know what ASCII is, it's basically a character encoding standard for electronic communication, and ASCII codes represent text in computers, blah 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 blah. All we know is that these are the ones that give us color. And so after that, I just want to tell the user what operator is available and get the user input. Alright, so how do we determine what operator does the user want? Well, we can use the input method, which allows for the user prompt to come in and we can turn it into a variable. And what exactly are you going to put inside the input method? Well, what do you want to ask the user? What operator does he want? Exactly. Then just do the same thing with the two numbers that you want to fiddle with. Time for the match case statement. And if you know anything about Java or JavaScript, it is what you call the switch case statement. This is a much more simplified version of an if statement, if you didn't know. To make it not so confusing, the match case statement also works like this. Get it now? You may have noticed I have put a variable named num that is equal to 0. What I did is the initialization of a variable. Now this initial value is temporary, as you can probably tell that the variable will be changed. You can also do this, though I really don't like seeing repeating code and want it to be efficient as much as possible. Then lastly, you can see right over here what is the point of the case underscore. Now you may know in JavaScript or Java, this is also known as the default statement. What the case underscore statement does in a match case statement is that if it doesn't match anything within our cases, it'll go to this block of code instead. And that's gonna be it. So just print out the final number and there you go. And here is the fully functional code. Short and concise, right? Why am I doing this? But Miguel, oh my god, that's spaghettified code, dude. What are you doing?